What we want to do is practice this. I want you to use your calculator to compute a one sample t-test and a confidence interval using mu of 31, so our average is 31, versus not 31. So this would be a two-tailed hypothesis test. This gives us a sample of 50, so n is equal to 50. Our mean and standard deviation for our sample, so our mean sample statistic, x bar, is equal to 31.935. Our standard deviation is 2.394. And I want you to do both a hypothesis test with a probability value and a confidence interval. So we're going to walk you through how to do that. So sliding over to the calculator, so I'm going to walk you through. To do a two-tailed hypothesis test, we're going to hit Menu, then Statistics, and then go down to Tests. We're going to select T-Test. Instead of Data, we're going to select Statistics. We're going to use our mean, which is 31, and then our sample average, which is 31.935. Looking at the chart below, we see that the standard deviation for our sample is 2.394, and our sample size is 50. Now again, we're doing a two-tailed test, so this is going to see if they are not equal to each other. I hit OK, and then from our calculator, we see that from our hypothesis test, we get a t-value of 2.76, a p-value of 0.008. Our degrees of freedom is 49 with our sample average and our standard deviation. To calculate a confidence interval, we're going to select Menu and then go to Statistics and then go down to Confidence Interval, and we're going to select t-interval. Again, we're going to select stats over data. And this time we're going to type in our sample mean, which is 31.935. Our standard deviation for our sample is 2.394. And our sample size is 50. This has a confidence level of 95%. And so we see that our lower bound is 31.2546. Our upper bound is 32.6154. Our margin of error is 0.6803. And again, our degrees of freedom is 49. Everything else matches.